Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan of Michael Jordan Hotels. Listen, it's time to make your hotel some real money. I mean, real money. Stop with this little 5% increase over last year. Yeah, hotel owners ain't trying to hear that no more. They're losing too much money. Expenses are increasing faster than you're making the money. You're selling out, losing money, okay? RevPAR is coming down, profits are coming down. You need new and more practical ways to make revenue for your hotel. It's in this book, The Hotel Revenue Bible. Tips and tricks on what you need to get your hotel revenues numbers to where they really should be. A lot of you're dependent on your market segment. Oh, my market can't do this. How do you know? I went into 3, 4, 5, 6 different markets and I heard the same thing and I doubled the revenue there. Doubled the revenue there. And it's not even my market. So what are you really missing? What you're missing is inside this book. You can get this book on Amazon. This book, the hardcover, is $60. The paperback is $40. The ebook is $30. But today, for the first 100 people that take advantage of this offer, we're gonna give you that at 50% off, so you have no excuses. So you're gonna get the ebook at 50% off. You're gonna get this book at 50% off. And of course, this is the hardcover. You're gonna get this at 50% off. There's nothing stopping you now. It's what? A call? What? Subway? Jersey Mike's? Don't eat it. Grab this book. Make your hotel some real money. Stop the games. You deserve more. You deserve better. And this is gonna give it to you. Click the link below. Do what you gotta do. Take advantage of it while you can. And let's make it happen.